Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to configure and use WooCommerce recurring commissions in Affiliate Press. First, go to the Affiliate Press Add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press Add-ons page. Here you can see all the available Affiliate Press feature add-ons. Now click the Activate button on the Recurring Commissions add-on to activate it. The Recurring Commissions add-on has been activated successfully. Now click the Configure button to continue. This is the Affiliate Press Commission Settings page. Scroll down to the Recurring Commission section and enable the Recurring Commissions option. Here you can configure the recurring commission rate and the recurring commission limit based on your requirements. You can set the recurring commission as either a fixed amount or a percentage. We've configured the recurring commission rate to 5% and set the recurring commission limit to 2. This means the affiliate will receive the regular commission on the customer's first purchase based on the affiliate's commission rate. After that, if the customer renews the subscription, the affiliate will receive a 5% recurring commission for the next 2 renewals. After configuring the settings, click the Save button to save your changes. Next, enable the WooCommerce integration. To do that, go to the Integrations tab. Next, enable the WooCommerce integration. Once enabled, click the Save button to save your changes. As you can see, the changes have been saved successfully. Now let's create a WooCommerce subscription product. To do that, go to the Products page. This is the WooCommerce Products page. Here you can view all your WooCommerce products. You can either create a new product or edit an existing one. Next, change the product data type from Simple Product to Simple Subscription. After that, configure the subscription price and subscription duration according to your requirements. After configuring all the settings, click the Update button to save your changes. As you can see, the product has been updated successfully. Now go to the Affiliate Press Affiliates page to continue the setup. This is the Affiliate Press Affiliates page. Here you can view all the registered affiliate users. Select the affiliate you want to use for the purchase, verify the affiliate's commission rate, and then copy the affiliate link. Now go to the front-end shop page and purchase the subscription product you created earlier. This is the product checkout page. Enter the required information, then select your preferred payment method. Enter the card details, then click the Place Order button to complete the purchase. As you can see, the subscription product has been purchased successfully. Next, go to the Subscriptions page. Open the subscription by clicking the View button. This is the My Subscription page. Here you can view all the information related to the subscription. First, let's verify the commission earned from the initial purchase. Go to the back end and open the Commissions page. This is the Manage Commissions page. Here you can view all the commission records generated for your affiliates. As you can see, the first record is the commission generated from the newly purchased subscription product. The initial commission was calculated at 10%. Now let's renew the subscription. Go to the front end. Now click the Renew Now button to proceed with the subscription renewal. Select your preferred payment method. Enter the card details, then click the Renew Subscription button to complete the renewal. As you can see, the subscription has been renewed successfully. Now go back to the back end and refresh the Manage Commissions page. As you can see, the latest commission record has been added successfully. Since the recurring commission rate is configured as 5%, this commission is half of the initial 10% commission. That's it. You've successfully learned how to configure and use WooCommerce recurring commissions in Affiliate Press.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.